guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after getting a good response, like a very good response on my last video, which was a Meesho haul, I thought why don't I film another Meesho haul since I got a lot of items from them and I have so many things to show. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. But first thing first, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit this subscribe button. Also, in case if you're not following me on my social media platforms, then definitely go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you want to follow me. And without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. As you all know, I really like colorful things, and this time I got so many colorful things from Meesho. This is basically a summer haul. So this is the dress that I got. It's in a very beautiful lavender color. I don't know why, but now I really like this color a lot. Lavender color is one of my favorite colors now, and this is the dress that I got. It fits me perfectly. Also, the material is so soft, so apt for summers. Also, it has like a noodle strap, which I think is very good for summers if you're comfortable with them. In case if you're not comfortable with such sleeves, you can definitely wear a t-shirt inside. I will be mentioning all the prices in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Next, I got this cute pink jacket. This is not a winter jacket, this is a summer jacket. The material is very soft and very apt for summers. In case if you're going to a mall or you are going to any place that is cold and has AC, so at that time you can wear cute jackets like this. I personally love the color. The fit is amazing. It is of a very shorter length, which I like. I don't want long jackets as of now, so I went ahead and got this one. The material is nice. Also, the buttons are also very nice. I got it under rupees 500, which I think is very affordable. Again, I'm gonna mention all the product codes in the description box. As you all know, Meesho doesn't have links, so I'm gonna mention the codes and the prices in the description box. The third item is this one. So if you follow me for a very long time, you would know I got this top I think 3 to 4 months back, but my sister took that top away. She liked it so much. Then I decided that I should definitely go ahead and buy this again. This is so apt for summer. The material is so soft. This is not even 25 gram. Trust me on this, the material is very soft. Also, I love this polka print and the color is perfect for summer, so I went ahead and got one for myself since my sister took my last top. So this is the third item that I got. In case if you don't know about Meesho, Meesho is #1 earning app, and over here you need zero investment. If you like any product on Meesho, in case if you don't know, again Meesho has women's wear, men's wear, home decor, you name it and you're gonna find it on Meesho. So when you like an item, you can directly share it with your customer. You can share the description box or you can share the picture through any messaging app. If they like the product, then you can place the order for them. If the product price is supposedly 500 and if you want to keep a profit margin of rupees 100, then you can place the order for rupees 600. Once they receive the product and does the payment, this 100 rupees will be transferred to your bank account. I'm gonna mention Meesho's app link in the description box. Definitely go ahead and press the link and you're gonna get 30% off or rupees 100 off, whichever is higher on your first purchase. So definitely don't forget to check the description box out. Then I went ahead and got two basic t-shirts for myself. So one I got in the color black and one is in the color white. The fit is very amazing. I got it in the size medium. I went for a size bigger than my usual size. Usually I'm in the size small, but I went ahead and ordered it for myself in the size medium. It fits me perfectly. Also, the material is so soft. During summers you definitely need one or two basic pieces, so black and white is a must have. Definitely go ahead and buy them. I think the whole set was under rupees 500, which I think is very cheap. 250 for one top. I think for the quality, the price is actually amazing. The next item is this particular top that I absolutely love. I think this is so apt for Instagram. In case if you want to click a lot of pictures for your Instagram or Facebook, or if you like such colorful tops, then definitely go ahead and buy this top. This particular top was under rupees 400 and I was so amazed with the price because the quality is so nice. The print, not the print, the what it is called, the design, the pattern is so nice. Everything is so nice. Also, it is very soft. And then again, it was under rupees 400 and I was like, will the quality be good? But when I got it, I was absolutely impressed with the quality. If you like such colorful tops, also they have a lot of varieties when it comes to color, like yellow, purple, pink. A lot of colors are available. So if you like this top, then definitely go ahead and purchase it yourself. Last but not least, I have this cute jacket. Okay, so there is a reason why I got this jacket. I'm a huge fan of Bigg Boss, and in one of the episode I saw Shahnaaz wearing this particular jacket. if you're a fan of Big Boss, you would know. So I really like this jacket. And then there was this song also made on that particular dialogue, if you know, Twadda Kutta Kutta Sadda Kutta something. So on on that video also I saw that she was wearing this particular jacket, and I loved it so much that I went ahead and got it. This was little bit expensive. I think it was above ₹1,000, but then again I liked it so much that I thought one item I can spend a little bit. Also the quality is very nice. During winters you can wear it. In case if you are going to the airport, then also you can wear such things. Those are all the things that I got from Meesho. I hope you guys have liked the haul. Do let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. Also guys, thank you so much for 50k. I can't be thankful enough. I started this channel 3 years back and finally we are at 50k. So thank you so much. I am here only and only because of you guys. And on that note, I am ending this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button so that we can reach 100k super soon. And that is it. I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye bye.